of stealing. I told you that. You see the Janjaweed from the north, the Kaba, they love, nobody steals, they are criminals. And you're keeping Orji Uzo Kanu in jail. I don't like him. He was a traitor. But he's answering an Igbo name. Olisametu is answering an Igbo name. They cannot be in jail when people who should be in jail are busy walking free or telling me they're fighting corruption. I will destroy the zoo. Orji Uzo Kanu must be released. So to Olisametu and all the Christians they're holding. Any day you want to have anti-corruption tribunal, let all of you criminals gather together in a hall and judge yourselves. Not this stupid selective persecution and not prosecution. This criminal Abba Kyari appointed himself and his children was investigated. Don't look at Yusuf Buhari. Look at the children of Omar Diko. The children of Abacha. That's how they loot. That's how they steal. Then in the next 10 years now, they'll be telling oh, but we are millionaires. We are the richest people in Africa. But nobody will talk about how your parents stole, your grandparents stole money. As Dangote is doing that, the richest man, they were stealing. He is a front for money laundering. He's the richest man in Africa, my fruit. Mad people everywhere. Abba Kyari put himself on the board of NNPC. He appointed his own daughter the vice president of Nigeria's Sovereign Wealth Fund. All the overseas investments of Nigeria, Abba Kyari's daughter is in charge. This is nepotism of the highest order. But he's our chief of staff. He's a good man. Here, do you see why I call Nigerians zoo animals? You see that? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. He is the one that distributes every post in the zoo because, of course, he's the de facto president. Before you see there's shambolic Buhari, which is Jubril al-Sudani, you must go through him and give him his own money. He was the one that ordered the countless massacre of civilians. What the Janjaweed, the Fulani headsmen are doing was his own making. But to tell you how foolish they are, after creating Boko Haram,
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock, Nigeria's seat of power, and demand Kanu's release in person. If the government can negotiate with terrorists, why not with Nnamdi Kanu? He referenced past amnesty and dialogue efforts with Boko Haram and bandits, contrasting it with the continued detention of Kanu despite multiple court rulings in his favor. #free Nnamdi Kanu now.